Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do a quick unpacking. My strap haul from Cheapest NATO Straps came in today. So yeah, I ordered these on 18th February and then got the email notification that they were shipped on the 20th and actually just received them today, which is the 14th of March. So yeah, I've been waiting for about 3 weeks for them, but anyway, the straps are in. Let's see how they are. Quick wristwatch check, and I am obviously wearing the awesome Seiko Cocktail Time. Oh, check out those reflections. Anyway, let's get into the strap haul. So I ordered 4 straps and a little spring bar tool. So 3 straps in the 20mm for the Cocktail Time, the Grand Seiko, as you guys have recently seen, and one 19mm strap for the Tissot. So actually, before I start, I have all the watches here, so give you guys a look. See, oh, look at that tatami dial. Beautiful. It's the Grand Seiko, and then obviously the Tissot. If I can get some focus actioning happening. Oof, there we go. So he has a weird lug to lug of 19mm, but anyway. But yeah, let's see what we got. So yeah, probably straight up, this is catching your attention. So this is the banana NATO strap in 20mm. Honestly, this was just in the, I just saw this in the sales section on cheapestnatostraps.com. Just looked really funky, something a bit of fun. So I got it. Really good price as well. It was like $2.95, so not really complaining there. Thinking about putting that on the Cocktail Time. What do you think? Does it work, or am I just being a joker? Anyway, cocktail bananas. Anyway, get rid of. Just keep that one there. So next, so this is the. Get some focus actioning, please. Thank you. The Heritage black leather strap in 19mm. So this is actually for the Tissot. It has these quick release spring bars built in, which is quite cool. Nice suede on the inside and this kind of matte leather on the outside. So yeah, just with the Tissot, it's got this deployant clasp. It's all a little bit stiff. Not really a big fan. So yeah, what do you think the all black with the white stitching will look with the Tissot? I think it looks quite alright. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'll do a follow-up video where I've put the straps on the watches, but now just doing a quick unboxing. And then this one is, sorry, I got my phone here with the email. So this is the classic navy with the white stitching. Oh, that looks quite good actually. Once again, quick release spring bars, nice tan on the inside. So this one's in 20mm. So yeah, I'm thinking either for the Cocktail Time. I think the navy blue, the white will really bring out the dial on this one as well, and also that blued second hand. Or on the Grand Seiko tatami. Yeah, definitely that white stitching will go really well with the dial. Complement that, and then also the nice dark blue be complementary against the kind of cream dial, and also the blued hand once again. So, well, I don't mind the titanium bracelet. Yeah, it's just the metal. Just hate getting it bashed everywhere. You know, when you're working at the desk or just out and about. So I think yeah, the leather strap would go well with that one. So that's the third strap. And then last but not least is the cheapest NATO straps, own brand, the Kvarnsjo. I don't know if that's how you say it. Please let me know in the description. Kvarnsjo with the umlaut. Yeah, I think it's the umlaut on top of the O. But anyway, this is the black leather kind of. Well, it's not really matte actually. It looks matte on the monitor, but this is kind of a distressed kind of leather, but it's shiny. It's not matte. But yeah, with this kind of contrast blue stitching. Yeah, so you already know what that one's for, obviously. Definitely the cocktail time on this one. I think the blue, that would be an awesome awesome addition with the blue second hand, and the matching blue stitching will help that pop, and also the black, you know, same as the official band, you know, the pattern black leather and the contrast blue stitching. Same kind of concept, just something a different take on that. So yeah, cheapest NATO straps. Yeah, the quality of straps, yeah, they seem quite good. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch to you too, guys. Yeah, quality of the straps seem quite good. I'll do a follow-up video where I've put them on so you guys can see what they actually look like. But yeah, overall, quite happy. You know, shipping, I'd say, was a bit slow. But, you know, I'm used to Seiya Japan times, which is like, you know, within a week. But, you know, shout out to Seiya-san for the awesome customer service for all us watch fam and watch addicts around. But yeah, drop your comment in the section below. Let me know which strap combination that you think would be the best pairings that I should get together. Yeah, with which watch that I have. And yeah, other than that, if you have any suggestions of other good straps that you can get on cheapest NATO straps, yeah, I'd love to check them out. So this is only my first order that's come through. So yeah, definitely looking at getting more straps, because yeah, I really think they help, you know, really change up the feel of the watch, and you know how you can wear them, you know, casual or more dress sense. So yeah, actually should add that I was thinking about getting a brown strap. I think, you know, the brown strap, actually I've seen photos where it goes really well with the cocktail time or the Grand Seiko. Actually didn't end up getting one because my good friend Dan hooked me up with the Seiya Japan calf leather strap, which is, yeah, really awesome. Kind of this deep brown with the contrast. It's not really white actually, it's more like a beige stitching. I mean, the buckle is a little big to, you know, be more kind of a traditional dress sense, but yeah, the combination of the brown I think would look fantastic with the cocktail time or the Grand Seiko. So yeah, that's why I didn't buy any brown straps this time, because I want to put this one on and see what it's like. But yeah, as you can see from the strap here itself, it is it's more on the lighter brown side. So yeah, if I do follow up with a brown strap, it would be a dark brown strap. Shout out to Seiya-san, legend in the JDM scene. But yeah, no worries, thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to do that quick unboxing or unpacking. It's gone longer. This video has gone longer than I anticipated. Oh, not to forget, sorry, I also did get this small spring bar tool. Yeah, actually feels quite sturdy. But yeah, I'll let you know how it goes after I've used it to put the straps on, and yeah, I'll do a follow-up video with the straps on the watches so you guys can actually get a look at how the combos look and the colorways look. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the videos, give it a like, drop a comment below if you have any suggestions of other straps that you've got yourself for cocktail times or other Grand Seikos or Tissot's or whatever that you think colorways would go good with these watches. Do let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and there'll be more regular videos coming soon. So got a few follow-up reviews to do on some of the watches, and especially just to let you guys know, the 1-year review of the Seiko Cocktail Time is coming soon. There's a lot of content that I've filmed for that. So yeah, no worries. Thanks for watching, guys, and for now, bye YouTube.